In order to customize our website, we're going to be using WordPress. And WordPress is web software that lets you customize your site, and you can do so without having to write code. So it makes it a lot easier to build your website, but WordPress is still very flexible and powerful. And so right now I'm signed into my WordPress dashboard, and this is where I would come to make any changes to my site, to add, for instance, blog posts, or to change the appearance of the site. And there's also something very important called plugins. So this is just an example of something that makes WordPress such a good development tool. So with plugins, it's a way to extend the functionality of your site. It's kind of like, you have a computer. Your computer can do certain things, but you install different programs to extend the functionality of your computer. So to do different things that don't come natively on your computer, you may install a program. Similar with a plugin. A plugin will help you extend the functionality of your website. So for instance, let's say I want to add some share buttons. One of my favorite plugins for this is Mass Share, and so it's free to use. So I'm just going to hit install now, activate the plugin, and now here it's installed. Now I just need to add or customize certain settings to make sure it shows up real quickly. So I want it to show as many buttons as I have selected, and the buttons I want it to show are the Facebook and Twitter. So I'll save changes, and then in visual I'm going to go to location position, and I want it to appear on all posts, and I'll hit save changes. So here's how a blog post will look like beforehand, and now if I hit refresh, it should implement that plugin. And so here you can see the Mass Share plugin, which adds Mashable style share buttons where there's a counter. If someone shares it, it's going to show here, and they can just click on the Facebook or click on the Twitter to easily share this article. And so this is just an example of why WordPress is so awesome, because without having to write any code, I could install a plugin, and voila, I have these share buttons here on my site. So WordPress is a great way to build websites, and that's what we're going to be using to build this website.